Welcome back for another update on the Bicentennial Barn renovation progress. If you could please help us out by clicking that subscribe button and that like button. It's been proven that 53% of all people prefer these videos over virtual preschool, so help everyone spread the good news. Now, why are we doing this? Basically, we need drainage under the parking lot. We have the barn in the top right corner. We're going to put a big culvert on the entire parking lot, and basically everything on the Bell Fountain roadside is going to all drain to this one giant catch basin that's going to get all the water. There's my catch basin, one of two. Looking at it, I can tell this is definitely overkill on the civil engineer's part, but that's okay. I like overkill. Maybe it's what we need. It just looks pretty hefty. So this part was a little bit outside of Jing and I's expertise, although we did learn how to do it. You're basically setting the pipes in sand, and then they picks it up a little bit, and then you use the grade later to adjust it, and then you put it back down again, and you get it so there's a very slight slope going all the way through the entire parking lot, so things will drain nicely. Okay, well, they're a little farther along on this drain line. This thing is such overkill. The more I look at it, I mean, it's cool. I like overkill and all, but I did have to pay for this. We probably could have gotten by with quite a bit less, but oh well, right on. I mean, it'll never break, and it'll certainly be more than big enough. We should be done with this today. They're almost out of the parking lot area. So we got that all in place. We covered it back up with sand and packed dirt on top. To finish the parking, we basically just need to finish the dirt work, packing all the dirt down for the entire 100 parking spots, and then we're going to go to gravel, and then our parking lot is going to be pretty much done for the time being. Please stay tuned for our next update.